Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. So you're considering on visiting the Philippines to film. Well, let me give you some first safety tips before you venture out to the Pearl of the Orient. Number one, upon leaving the airport, you're going to take a cab, and the first thing you're going to experience driving around is extreme poverty. Your camera equipment, never let it out of your sight for an instant. Most Filipino people are great, but there are some that your items will start to slip away from you. One thing you will find, you're going to have to start taking a tricycle, which is a motorcycle attached to a sidecar. This you'll have to take at some point in time in order to commute. They're very inexpensive, but be warned that the minute that you get onto it, go to your motel, someone else will probably walk up, notice you're a foreigner, and ask the driver, where did you take the foreigner? At that time, your name and address will be made public to the public ears of the Philippines. That's why you want to keep your camera equipment with you at all times. Don't take any chances. Don't go to Palawan. There are safe places in Palawan, although it's beautiful, but it's highly suggested not to do so with foreigners due to kidnappings. You're going to have stuff like a lot of violence going on, ransoms to your embassy, to your family, and stuff like this. It's on the news quite a bit from time to time in the Philippine Islands, and it's just not suggested. Although there are safe places, to do so. If you want to go visit lagoons and resorts, there are much more better places to do so safely with guides. However, if you have a lot of experience in visiting the Philippines and you know someone that you can trust, it's a whole lot different story. All right, Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Join the Barter Buy and Sell Morbid Team Entertainment group and put a like on our page. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.